Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LIAN LI GALAHAD II LCD. So friend, LIAN LI launches the GALAHAD II LCD, its first all-in-one cooler with the built-in LCD display, and it features the newest 3600 RPM Asetek 8th generation pump, a 2.88-inch IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 480 by 480 pixels, 30 mm, thick radiator with fully rotatable 45-degree angle fitting, pre-installed fans and pre-applied thermal paste and backed by a 6-year warranty. So credit comes with a 3 different options, 280 and 360 with ARGB fans and 360 with UNI FAN SL INFINITY fans, each available in black and white color option. And friend, the specification include 2.88-inch IPS display, support preset animations, new screen recording and capture function for easier cut and upload via Alconnect 3 Asetek 8th generation pump, 30 mm thick radiator needs circle wave fin design, 45-degree angle fitting at the radiator with full 360-degree rotation, available in black and white color as I tool, and 360 or 280 sizes with standard RGB fans and 360 size with SL Infinity fans. And friend, this series is available for pre-order starting 18th October and the starting price is $229.99 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.